Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 Ryzen 5.
Unity System Solutions.
Color Abyss Blue. Processor AMD Ryzen 5 7520U. Storage 512GB SSD NVMe. Memory 16GB LPDDR5. AMD Radeon 610M graphics. Display 15.6 FHD 1920 by 1080 IPS 300 nits anti-glare display. Camera HD 720p with privacy shutter. Standard ports 1x card reader, 1x HDMI 1.4, 1x headphone microphone combo jack 3.5mm. 1x power connector, 1x USB-C 3.2 Gen 1, support data transfer, power delivery and DisplayPort 1.2. 2x USB 3.2 Gen 1. Keyboard backlit, English, EU. Speakers, user-facing stereo speakers, 1.5W/2, optimized with Dolby Audio. Battery integrated 47WH. Power adapter 65W round tip, 3-pin. The mechanical airflow improvements and clever thermals that make sure air flows out without passing over intake vents help the IdeaPad 3 stay cool and quiet.